Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical on psychrometry. This question was asked in GATE 2014 for 1 mark in set fee. The question is, a sample of moist air at a total pressure of 85 kilopascal. Now here total pressure is given 85 kilopascal. Total pressure is nothing but atmospheric pressure. Therefore atmospheric pressure is equal to 85 kilopascal. Has a dry bulb temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Therefore, here dry bulb temperature is given 30 degrees Celsius. Then saturation vapor pressure of water is 4.24 kilopascal. At this dry bulb temperature, saturation pressure is given, which is nothing but 4.24 kilopascal. Then, if the air sample has relative humidity of 65%, therefore relative humidity is given 65%. Phi is equal to 65%. Which is nothing but 0.65. Then the absolute humidity in gram to the water vapor per kg of dry air. Now here actual humidity in gram, they are asking in gram if mass of dry air is 1 kg. That means they are asking the specific humidity in gram per kg, which is nothing but mass of vapor divided by mass of air. Means we have to find mass of vapor in gram if mass of air is in kg and 1 kg, right? So let us find this. Now my dear students, this relative humidity is nothing but vapor pressure divided by saturation pressure, right? So let us put here relative humidity is given, saturation pressure is given. From this we will get vapor pressure. Therefore vapor pressure is equal to relative humidity into saturation pressure, which is nothing but equal to 0.65 into 4.24. Therefore if I calculate this vapor pressure, then I will get this answer is equal to 2.756 kilopascal. And this specific humidity will be equal to mass of vapor divided by mass of dry air, which is nothing but equal to 0.622 pressure of vapor divided by pressure of atmosphere minus pressure of vapor, and this answer will be in kg per kg. If I multiply with 1000, then answer will be in gram per kg, right? So let us put the values. Therefore 0.622 pressure of vapor is 2.756 divided by total atmospheric pressure is 85 minus 2.756 into 1000, multiply with 1000, so that you will get answer in gram per kg. So if I simplify this, I will get answer is equal to 20.84, and the answer is in gram per kg only, Therefore here in fill in the blanks you have to type 20.84. Therefore answer is 20.84 for this question. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic.